Welcome to Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling comments on your TikTok videos. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To disable comments on all of your videos, including your future uploads, here is what you do. From your profile screen on TikTok, open up the settings from the top right corner. From Settings, tap on Privacy and Safety. On this page, under the Safety heading, there is an option called Who Can Comment on Your Videos. Tap on it. From here, you can choose who can comment on your videos, everyone, friends, or no one. It's also possible to disable comments just on specific videos. To do that, open the video and then select the Options button. Swipe to get to Privacy options and then open them. You can enable or disable comments for this video here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.